What's going on YouTube? It's your girl Shelly Lace coming at you with another video, and today's video is a small business promo video. So if you want to see the items that I picked up from a few small businesses, just stay tuned. Welcome back, you guys. Yes, I'm super excited to be doing this video because, as you know, I've started my own business called Flirty Gurl Lashes, where I sell luxury mink lashes and lash accessories. So, and I want to support other small businesses, so I decided to do a small business promo video because I love watching them, and I also want to support small businesses as well. So I'm excited to be doing this. So we're going to start this off by starting with the first item, which I already have on. It's this custom-made shirt for my business, Flirty Gurl Lashes. So yes, I wanted to get some custom t-shirts made, so that way when me and my children go and do vendor events, we will have, like, you know, we'll be uniform. They'll have a t-shirt on, so will I. And we also got some face masks made. Super cute. And this shirt and the mask came from YaDigg. She does YouTube videos, and also you can find her store on Etsy. I'll have all the information linked down below. But yes, I'm super pleased with this shirt. It's very comfortable, fits really nice, and I'm pleased with the mask as well. So the next item I did get was from YaDigg's too. I ended up ordering two things at different times because I was unsure what I wanted to do. But I ordered another shirt, and that's why I know whose this is, because I know the packaging. So on the packaging, it has a sticker right there, which I thought was so cool. So let's see. Let's open this up. And yes, I love supporting small businesses and small black businesses as well. So, you know, I wanted to, you know, help people out and purchase. I'm going to be purchasing from a lot of small businesses from now on. So there is the little packaging slip that lets me know what I bought. We'll put that to the side. There is a sticker in here, super cool, of YaDigg. And also got this cool little bracelet that was put inside here as well. So this is super cool. I'll throw this on now. Says YaDigg Lifestyle. Super cool. So I like that. I'm going to put this on. And the shirt that I purchased. So let's open it up. This shirt is so cute. I had to get me one when I seen this shirt. So you guys need to check her out and get you one. I'll have everything linked down below. But here is the shirt. Super cute. Minding my black owned business, boo. Yes. Super cute. So I'm going to be rocking this as well. So yes, y'all should pick y'all up something, because she does custom shirts, as you see, and she has other shirts on there. And I believe I've seen some like sports stuff, but I'm not entirely too sure. But I'll have her Etsy shop linked down below. But yes. And on top of that, I ordered a matching face mask to go with the shirt, because, hunty, we minding our black-owned business, okay? We gonna represent that this is a movement, not a moment, okay? So, yes, I am really pleased. Super cute. So yes, I will be rocking this. So I'm very pleased with that. You should definitely check her shop out. I'll have that link down below so you guys can check her out. So next up, this one is from Shelley's daughter. Shelley's daughter, Beauty. And Shelley's daughter, she does YouTube videos on her business where she sells lip gloss and so forth, and I really like watching her videos, and I really wanted to try her lip glosses out and you know, see if we like them and whatnot. So, and like I said, I want to support small businesses. So if you are a small business, or you know somebody that has a small business, you guys can send me anything, or send me your website so I can check it out and I'll purchase something as well. But you can also send me stuff if you want me to give your business a shout out, and my address is linked down below. You can email me or DM me on Instagram at ChantellyLace32 or at Flirty Gurl Lashes. and I will definitely communicate with you, but my business address is down below in the description box. So if you want to send anything, you are more than welcome to, and I will definitely give you a shout out and review your product. Okay, but let's go on and review Shelley's Daughters. So I'm so excited to try this out because I've been watching her make her lip glosses, and I've been following her for a minute, so I'm just really, really excited. And I'm one of those followers. Some people, I comment on their videos, but I'm really not a commenter. Like, if I had started commenting on your videos, I'll continue to do that. But majority of the time, I just watch videos and I'll like them, but I don't never really comment. So I need to do better. But I be watching videos while I'm doing stuff. Washing dishes, cooking dinner, doing all kinds of stuff. And she has my name written on here on the inside. And I guess that's for when she was packaging up orders. So let's pull this out. Okay, so we do have the packaging slip that lets you know what you purchased. And then we have a thank you card, super cute. And it says, Shelley's Daughters Beauty. Thank you so much for shopping with us, Beauty Babe. We appreciate you. Tag us on Instagram at Shelley's Daughter Beauty or # Shelley's Daughter Beauty to be featured on our page. And then it has the website, so that's super cute. And then this is the packaging, the lip glosses that I picked up. I picked up one for me and one for my daughter. So let's open this up. And I love the organza bag. It's very pretty. And she has her business card. There it is. And I'll have everything linked down below. I'll have her YouTube channel linked down below, as well as her website. So, and then all her social media handles are on the back of the card. And I love butterflies, so I love the butterflies on here. So, let's get into the glosses. So, we got this gloss. I believe, which one is this called? So, the name is not on here. So, let me look at the packaging slip because the name's not on there and I can't remember. So, this one is Ashley in the Slim Squeeze Tube. So this is Ashley, and it's a little red, clear. Like, it came out on the picture. It looked, what did it look like? Like, you know, it's a gloss. So I'll put it on for you guys here because this one's my daughter. She picked this one out. Oh yeah, and it has like a little pink tint to it, so that's really pretty, and it feels really creamy, you guys. So this is my daughter. She's busy right now, so I will give this to her later. She's going to be very excited. And the next one I picked up was the Angel Aurora. So this one's cute, and this one does have the name on the back. I really, really liked it because it had the, oops, the stickers are all, boom, boom. But yeah, I really liked it because of the color, the light purple sparkles. So this is cute, and I love the little top. And I love wand lip glosses. So let's give this one a little go. This is what the dofa applicator looks like. I mean, well, the applicator looks like. I said dofa, but the applicator. So let's see. Let's put this on. Ugh. This is really hydrating. I can't see because I'm using like my viewfinder. It's hydrating, y'all. I like it. I can't stop putting it on my lips. Ooh. I'm gonna be one of those girls that's always rubbing the lip gloss on their lips. Oh my god. I do have makeup on my lips. I didn't really clean all that up. But yeah, it's like glossy. It is not sticky or tacky. And my lips do feel really, really hydrated. So we'll see how it lasts throughout the day. I'll write down in the comment section if I had to reapply this and how long and so forth. I mean, most glosses you have to reapply, but we'll see how long it lasts. So, very, very pleased with that. So, the next item that I got, this one is from KC Designs. I'm not sure if KC Designs is on YouTube or not. I have to research that. But KC Designs is a has an Etsy shop, and they sell luxury items. So let's see what's in this bag. And I love her little sticker. It says, "Thank you for supporting my small business." Super cute. So let's get this bag open. And I would definitely, I'm going to have KC's shop link down below as well. Let's get her open. Open, open, open. Having a hard time. Alright. So we do have the package slip to show what I purchased. And here is the item. I purchased a Chanel face mask because you know your girl loves Chanel. So I don't want to put it too close to my mouth because I got the lip gloss on. But yes, super cute. And she had all different designs, not just Chanel. So there was Louis Vuitton, there was Gucci, there was Prada, which I think I'm going to pick me a Prada up one because I do have Prada sunglasses that I wear a lot. And I wear a lot of my Chanel sunglasses too. So I was like, yeah, this will definitely go. Super cute. And I wear a lot of black. So I really like that it was all black as well. So super, super cute. And the strings are a lot different. They're not like that super stretchy string, but they still fit around the ear nice and snug. And it doesn't hurt. So that's different and cool. So I like this a lot. Super cute if you're just trying to be a little fashionable. So I'll definitely check her out. And this was very inexpensive. I'll have Casey Designs located down below if you want to pick you up one. Because like I said, she has so many different designer ones. And if there's one that, like, I'm pretty sure you can contact her and message her and see if there's one that if you want to get a personal one that you don't see on there. So, but I did see Chanel, Prada, Louis, Gucci, and some other stuff. But you know, I'm a Chanel gal. I always grab Chanel stuff. Okay, so that's all I have for today's video. If you guys like any of the items that I picked up, I suggest checking out these small businesses and supporting, because hey, we need to support our small businesses, especially at this time. So that is all I have for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. And until next time, stay fly and shine. Bye, you guys.